Tower, good evening. Jet 904 crossing Sitco, ILS runway 4 right.
Jet 904 Midway Tower, stay parking. Jet 904 change to clear to land runway 4 left, wind 0609er.
Clear land runway 4 left is Jet 904.
Delta 1328, be advised similar call sign on frequency is Southwest 3828, cross runway 31 center and runway 31 left, taxi via Yankee to 4 right.
Clear to cross 31 center and 31 left, Yankee to 4 right, Delta 1328, will be aware.
Southwest 3828, be advised similar call sign on frequency is Delta 1328, and once you approach 31 right as you're crossing it, you can switch over to power. Have a good day.
All right, we'll be listening up for that, and we'll switch over to tower to approach 31 right, Southwest 320.
1328 Midway Tower, traffic holding position on the cross runway. Traffic on a 4 mile funnel lands parallel, and traffic here runway 10 mile funnel, 4 right, line of point.
4 right, 1328.
1328 Midway Tower, runway 31 center, line up point. Don't plan on stopping.
31 center, line of point, Southwest 3828.
Traffic holding position on the cross runway. Traffic on a 3 mile funnel off the cross runway. No delay, please. Turn left heading 250. Runway 31 center. Clear for takeoff. The wind 0609er. Two call 1 South 3828. Verify no delay. Left to 250. 31 center. Clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 31 center. No delay. Heading 250. Southwest 3828.
383. Turn right Sierra. Ground point 65. Windy clear. Have a good day.
65. Good day. Southwest 383.
28, stop.
1328, reporting. Wait, stopping.
Make the right turn onto taxiway Delta. Right turn to Delta, hold short runway 4 right.
Delta, hold short 4 right, Southwest 3828.
Keep answering for each other. It's Southwest 3828 and Delta 1328. Southwest 3828, make the right turn onto Gulf, back taxi runway 31 center.
Turn on Golf, back taxi 31 center, where I need a second, you got the taxiway. Southwest 3828, can we stop here?
3828, affirm, sir. Is it going to be, do you get hot brakes?
Fine, we have to check this.
Okay, just let me know. Are you going to be good to go?
Southwest 3828.
.3041, just outside of Sitco.
31 Midway Tower, number 2, runway 4 right, clear to land, the wind 070 at 8.
4 right, Southwest 3041.